All right, your second example sets, these are based in numbers. So the first one is that you take a couple of things about geometry or triangles. The sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So when you go through and see if the triangles are similar, you have to have the angles exact. So in this case, since it's a 90-degree triangle, if you already subtract 90 from 180 for that right triangle, that leaves the acute angles 50 and this unknown one and this one and 40. You just subtract them from 90. So in the first example, you have 90 minus 50, and that gives you 40 degrees. And the other one is 90 minus 40, which will give you 50 degrees. So as you can see, this angle here is 40 degrees, and this angle up here is 50 degrees. And since these angles correspond to each other and are the same, then these two triangles are similar. Okay, in example 2, this symbol right here represents these two angles are congruent or equal to each other. Okay? And since it's not a right triangle, you have to base everything on 180 degrees. So in the second part of this one, you have to take everything and subtract it from 180 degrees. So in the first one, you take 180 and you subtract off 42. So that gives you 138 degrees left over, but there's two of them. And they're the same. So all you have to do is divide this by 2, and that's going to give you 69 degrees. Alright, so this angle here is 69 degrees, and this angle right here is 69 degrees. Alright, the other triangle, we'll take 180 and we'll subtract off 51. Gives you 129 degrees left for the other two, and you subtract off 72. And that leaves you at 57 degrees. So this third angle right here is 57 degrees. And so as you can tell now, none of these angles are the same. So in this example number 2, these triangles are not similar to each other.